Hello everyone, my name is Anurag Singh. Welcome to Pahujala Academy. And in this video, we will be discussing a landmark case law which is Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India. Right. In this case, as we all know, gist of it is section 377 of IPC was deemed as unconstitutional. But actually it was not deemed as unconstitutional. It was simply read down. उसकी जो rigidity है उसे lower कर दिया गया था. ठीक है. It has not been held unconstitutional. It has been read down. ठीक है. Now, what was section 377 of IPC? This criminalized same-sex relations, right? That is one part of section 377 because it also criminalized bestiality, which is having sexual relations with animals, right? So, याद रखना कि section 377 had two parts. One was that it criminalized same-sex relations and also criminalized bestiality, which is having sexual relations with animals, right? So, this part was challenged, criminalizing of same-sex relations, okay? So, Navtej Singh Johar, he is also from the LGBTQ community, and actually इसके पहले एक background था, which was Suresh Kaushal versus Nas Foundation, ठीक है? This was a case of 2013, जिसमें की Supreme Court upheld the validity of section 377 and it said कि unnatural offenses are still offenses and 377 is constitutional. और इसी जजमेंट को चैलेंज किया था नवतेज सिंह जौहर ने अपने यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया वाले केस में, जो कि हमारा अभी प्रेजेंट टॉपिक है. और इसमें लोगों ने कहा था कि आर्टिकल 14, 15 एंड 21 इज वायलेटेड. आर्टिकल 14, 15 and 21 is violated if people based on sexual orientation, अगर same sex couples है and if they have relations in private, that does not violate anyone's rights. ठीक है, वो चीज that is an outdated notion और हम लोगों को change करना चाहिए with changing times, and that is why यहाँ पर इन लोगों ने बोला कि section 377, not the entirety of it, but the part where consenting adults can have sexual relations in consenting same-sex couples can have sexual relations in private, that part should be held to be legal and it should not be criminalized. So, section 377 ka, it was decriminalized. So, decriminalized, but only that part, the consenting sexual relations between same-sex couples. Consenting sexual relations between same-sex couples, right? And this actually is deemed as a landmark judgment because section 377 को याद रखना unconstitutional नहीं declare किया गया था. It was simply read down. So part of it was said कि जो part था consenting adults के बीच में, वो part जो है it is not going to be an offense anymore. But the part about bestiality, that is still there. If somebody has sexual relations with an animal, that is still an offense. ठीक है? So section 377 is used in that context and it gave a kind of individual dignity to people belonging to the LGBTQ community. Okay? Thank you everyone.